Hi, what's up everyone? This is Shravan. Welcome to another vlog. Hope everyone are doing great. Yeah, today is 13th of November 2020. Me along with one of my buddy, Vamshi, we both are going to explore some unexplored part of Vizag that is near Bhimli. Yeah, Bhimanipatnam, which is like 35 kilometers from Vizag. I hope you guys have seen from my Vizag part 1 video. I went to one monastery, good monastery. I think you guys remember it, correct? So there is one more monastery. It is in Bhimli. So now we are going to explore that place. And it has a bit of off-road stretch as well. And on the way to Bhimli there is a rock bridge just opposite to Totlakonda. I think yeah, the same monastery place which I visited previously, Totlakonda Buddhism monastery. So opposite to that means we should go a little bit further, very little bit. Then next to beach itself, on the shore of the beach, you have this rock bridge as well. So Vamshi is leading me the way. I don't know the actual location. These places are suggested by my brother. He just called me last night and he told me like, bro, go over to that place and show your viewers how that place looks like. If you take a left from here, you will be going to Vizag IT Cells, where a lot of software companies and all are there. You will be going there. That is the Vizag IT Cells. We will be first going to the rock beach because it's on the way to that Pauralakonda monastery. So first we are going there. These speed breakers are really not seen, guys. They don't have any marking on it, so better if you guys are coming during the night time, you be just careful, because all of a sudden you will be ending up jumping over that speed break. This whole road is full of resorts, guys. That is Totlakonda, as you guys can see. We are entering into the first location, guys, the rock beach. Oh, yeah. Morning, I'm getting a proper massage. If you guys can see, it's completely off-road. Yeah, this is how the road is. You can see there are some photo shoots going on. People are over there. We are literally taking our bike into the beach. Yeah. That is how the viewers, I think you guys are able to see, that is how people are taking the photos and all. I think this wedding photography and all will be happening over there. We'll just see. There is a rock bridge that they have over there. Let's take some photos and then we'll leave from this place. I think taking back our bikes will be a bit of trouble, but yeah, we will help each other and we will take our bikes out. We just took few pics over here, guys. Yeah, here you can find some random photographers who can help you out with taking good pics. I opted for one of them. He really did a decent job. I really got a decent photos. I think now you guys can see it on the screen. Just need to pay 20 bucks and you will get a nice photo directly transferred into your smartphone. From that you can see that the solar panels and all of that, right? So just opposite to that you have a way. You just need to take a U-turn. If you are going towards Bhimli, you just need to take a U-turn and you need to come back. If you are coming from Bhimli towards Vizag, you don't need to take any U-turn. When you find those solar panels, just opposite to that you guys can see some parks and bikes parked. There will be a small, like 100 feet of little bit of off-roading, but cars can't come. If you have bikes, yeah, you can get them into the beach. That is how, if you guys can see, Surya bought his bike back. And here you have Raju, Akhilesh and Karthik. These guys really helped us out with taking a very good pics and all. So yeah, you guys can reach them out. I will just drop their phone number in the description. If you guys are here, they can take very nice pics with a very friendly, what is that, cost. You can just try it out. We are just entering Bhimunipatnam, Bhimli beach. We are entering into off-road, guys. You guys, yeah, see, this is completely off-road. We are just entering the Pavaralkonda. From Bhimli, you just need to take before entering to Bhimli, actually you just need to take a small left. There it will be written on board, way to Pavaralkonda, and you need to take this turn. Yeah, you guys can see, I guess it's completely off-road and very narrow. Trust me, if you are not a pro or if you are just in a beginning stage, definitely your wheels will keep on spinning and definitely there might be chances that you guys will be damaging your bike. So just take care of it.
Run.
Yeah, finally after such a hectic thing, we just reached Pavaralkonda. Same like Totlakunda, I think you guys can see it's they have the same structure over. This is also one of the monastery. It used to be one of the monastery. You can see here also left side. Here I can see one half constructed house or something. I don't know what it is. But I think if we come during sunset, this view will be very nice, I guess. But still, I will not leave it like that. I will still take a nice photo over here. I will ask Vamshi to take some nice photo. You guys can see, wow, look at the beauty, guys. Look at the beauty. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Look at the beauty, guys. Crazy, crazy it is. Look at it. I don't know how much the action camera is doing the justice, but yeah, it's crazy. I never saw this kind of view. Let me take my mobile out and give you guys a better glimpse of it. Look at this, guys, how crazy it is. Look at the view. Look at the curve at that point over there. The sea, the mountain, everything. Look at the landscape, guys. I literally can feel that the sky and the sea completely merged. There is no big difference, if you guys can see. It's like the sky is falling into the sea. Crazy, crazy view, guys. It's really worth coming over here. Bad roads always lead to beautiful destinations. It's 200,000%. It's 200,000%. Again, I'm repeating, 200,000% correct. Bad roads always lead to beautiful, beautiful destinations. Look at it. Crazy, isn't it? It would have been so good if we would have come in the morning. Thanks to Vamshi, Thanks to Vamshi, really. He really brought me to this place. I really like, guys. Full greenery. It's not like that the view from the Kailashgiri actually. I don't know if the action camera is doing the justice. Just look it out. Here you really have a very less concrete over here. Everything is completely green. As I told you just few minutes back, look at that. I can literally feel the sky and sea are merging. There is no difference between the sky and sea. If you see at one glance, trust me, if you are seeing with a naked eye, you guys can see like there is no difference between the sky and the sea. So blue. The blue is completely merged. Means you can't find out where the sky is ending, where the sea is ending. Such a nice view, guys. Such a nice view. Loved this view, trust me. If you have a good time in Vizag, definitely visit over this place. Yeah, don't forget to miss this place, please. Come in the morning or come in the late evening. You will really love this place. It's morning 10 o'clock right now. But still we are enjoying it. See, only 2 of us are there. Zero crowd, guys. This is what an unexplored place means. When I was going to YouTube searches, I can hardly see like 2 or 3 people visited over here. Not more than that. We are done here, guys. Leaving back to the main road. We are planning to take a pic. You guys can see how it is like. They took my bike just inside a house. Seriously. Anyway, it's not a good time to take the pic because sun is on top of our head and the pics will not turn out that good. We'll leave from here.
Run.
Yeah, we are back onto the road. This is the Pavaralkonda. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, so this is the way which we entered into the city, if you guys can see. So if you go towards means once we are entering the Beamly, if you take this left 3 kilometers you will be reaching the Pavaralkonda. If you go this side 1 kilometer ahead you will be seeing the Flagstaff crematories and all. And if you go straight 5 kilometers ahead you will be reaching Tagarappavalsa. And if you are going again straight for another 19 kilometers, Ananta Padmanabha Swami temple is also there. So now we are not going any further, just going back. Vamshi, water. We just stopped over this place to have some beverages. Opposite of us, you guys can see there is a go-karting as well. It's near Mangamarani-peta. So sorry, it is Mangamaripeta. You guys can see there is a go-karting as well. I don't think it is open right now, but yeah, if you are coming in a proper season after this COVID situation, maybe you guys can enjoy the go-karting as well. That is the go-karting. I don't know whether you guys are able to see the track and all. That is the go-karting area. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, because that will be a very great support to the channel. With this note, this is Shravan signing off. See you in another vlog.